First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been, oh, the way that things have been, oh. Second thing second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea, oh, the master of my sea, oh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, talked to me, shifting me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson.
Akala ko pag dito ka sa USA, masarap na ang buhay. Kumikita, kumakain ng tama, pasyal lang pag may time. Kasama asawa, kasama anak, kasama mga kaibigan at yun, okay na. Simple lang, relax. Hindi pala. Hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon mananitili kang bata. Magkakaedad ka, magkakaroon ng karamdaman. Kahit may ipon ka, mauubos din yan. Pero salamat, dumating sa amin ang biyaya ng Amazing Pure Organic Barley na tulungan kami sa kalusugan. And because of I Am Worldwide, kumikita na kami ng passive income at nagkaroon din kami ng sasakyan. Wala sa edad para mangarap. Mangarap at gawin ang dapat para sa iyong pagtanda. Ikaw ay nakahanda. In behalf of my wife, Annalyn,
I am Annalyn Olarte.
Thank you, I Am Worldwide. I am Edward Lasdacan and I Am Worldwide.